9. It's a digit. We started from 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then again 0. Why 9 is important? Nobody knows it.
Can you explain?
Yes, of course. When you start with 9, 9 into 1 is 9. 9 into 2 is what?
18.
18. 1 plus 8 is 9.
9.
9 is to 3. 27. 2 plus 7 is 9. 9 is to 4.
36.
3 plus 6 is 9. 36 no. 36, sorry.
Yeah.
9 is to
5.
5.
45.
4 plus 5 is 9. 9 is to 6.
54.
5 plus 4 is 9. 9 is to 7. 6 plus 3 is 9. 9 is to 8. 72. 7 plus 2 is 9. 81. It's again 9.
Wow. Great. Awesome.
9 is the most critical and crucial number in history.
And it's an
I
important
love
number. And your number,
I'm 18.
your number
1 plus
is
8 is 9.
nice.
By each you.